Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome to today's video. We're opening July BOXYCHARM base box. Yes, July. I know that it's August. I was really hoping that this would arrive so much sooner. I honestly can't believe that it took this long. It's August 6th. I ordered this about a month ago. Very beginning of July. I signed back up for the July base box and canceled my premium. I did check the tracking on this and it was supposed to arrive about 2 weeks ago, but something happened in transit because I went to check the tracking again and it said it was in like Oklahoma. And I'm in Oregon, so I was like, oh no. I think they must have sent it to the wrong place or something. So I'm sorry, this is so incredibly late, but I want to open it anyways. I'm really excited about it. I am a little bummed it didn't come in like the regular classy black BOXYCHARM box, but whatever, it doesn't really matter how it gets here. I'm excited that it's here. I hope you guys are chill with opening this with me today, and I hope you're excited. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm not wearing any mascara or any eyeshadow because today I thought it might be fun to also do a little try on. I don't know, I'm just feeling it today. I thought it would be fun. I feel like a lot of my videos lately have been baby related, which I do love filming, but I want to throw a little bit more makeup back in here because I don't want it to be too much baby stuff. So let's do a try on. That is if we get eyeshadow. We don't even know if we're gonna get eyeshadow yet. The product I'm actually hoping to get the most is a Sol de Janeiro shampoo and conditioner. But to be completely honest, this box feels incredibly way too light to have those products in there. But it's okay, it'll just be a complete surprise then. Before we begin, the only thing I have left to do is just to recommend you subscribe, ring the bell, turn on the notifications. I'm still holding the scissors. Oh, and follow me on Like to Know It too. That would be super fun. I am having a blast posting outfits and stuff on there. I just love fashion. It's so fun. Okay, well, let's open this and see if we got some fun things, but we'll see. Thanks for spending time with me today. This is one I'm pretty stoked. Ooh, maybe not actually. I was pretty stoked about this, but now that I see that it gives you a dewy finish, I'm not that stoked. To be 100% honest with you guys, I probably am going to post this on Facebook Marketplace. I'm really not a dewy skin girl. My skin gets oily so quickly that I try not to mess around with dewy products all that often. Sometimes I get adventurous and I try them out, but usually not. And I feel like I have enough products now to where if I want to get adventurous with being dewy that day, then I could. Anyways, this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Finish Coconut Setting Mist. I'm just gonna just smell it. I'm not gonna spray it. Oh my gosh. You know what this smells like? This smells like Malibu alcohol. Oh my goodness. That is such a throwback. That is so funny. Definitely has a very sweet coconutty scent to it. It is definitely higher end being Ciate, which is really cool to receive that. Next up, we have, I think this might be the one that I chose. No, I didn't get to choose. I didn't get to choose this month. This is the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. Don't know what that means. It's a serum. I've heard that this is super expensive. I'm so curious. You guys already get to know because I pop it up on the screen when we first show the product. Let's put it on our hand. Why not? Okay, I do really love a good serum, not gonna lie. I've been such a good girl with putting on a good serum every morning and every night. I feel like my skin has definitely been reflecting that too. Don't mind my breakout now. I did some extracting, to say it nicely, the other day and my skin got irritated, but before that, it was happy. It has maybe like a light rosy scent. Maybe it's super faint, if anything. No, that hardly smells like anything, honestly, but cool. Okay, an anti-pollution booster. I will roll with it. That sounds fun. Definitely not something that I would go out and purchase on my own. That's like the fun part of BOXYCHARM is you get these products that you never would have known about, right? Next we have eye masks from Grace and Stella. We received some face masks from them a couple months ago in the premium. I do really love a good eye mask. Those under eyes, especially with baby coming, they're gonna get a little poofy, I'm sure. This is anti-wrinkle and energizing. Sweet. Honestly, I can't wait to try this. There's 12 of them in here too, which is a decent amount, so that's super fun. Okay, Oh no. I already have one of these and these are so cheap. Seriously, this costs like $8 on Amazon, if not less. I guess now I have two. Okay, let's look at it positively. I always try to look at the positive side. This will be a wonderful gift. I do use this every single day. What I've been doing lately is instead of tapping off my eyeshadow brushes just like on the back of my mirror on the side of the desk, I tap it off right in the lid of the tin and all the powder just goes right in the tin. And when I'm all done with my makeup, I take a paper towel or just a makeup wipe that I usually will use and wipe it out, and it is the easiest thing ever. So this honestly, the lid is something I use every day, but I do use this every day too. So if you don't know what this is, I'm sorry, I'm totally rambling about it, but you take an eyeshadow brush or any makeup brush really, and after you use it, you swirl it around in there and magically it takes off almost all the powder. Not completely all the powder, you still need to be cleaning your brushes, but it does take off most of the powder residue from whatever color you were using, so then it's good to go for the next time. It's called the Color Switch. Like I said, great stocking stuffer, and Christmas is gonna be here before we know it. All right, so that was 4 items already. This is going by so fast. Oh my gosh. Let's just open up and see what our last one is. Awesome, I'm so glad. We did get an eyeshadow palette. Let's see if it's one that I can use. This is from Pure Cosmetics, their Festival Pressed Pigments palettes. Oh. Whoa, that looks completely different. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at the color difference between what's on the box and what's in the palette. Is this not way more warm toned? Look how dark these look and how light those look compared to it. That's crazy. That is so crazy. Super creamy and so reflective. Do you see that? So reflective on there. Yeah, okay, so that skincare I was telling you guys about was just beyond expensive, which is why the other products are less expensive. They're quoting that Color Switch at $17, which you guys probably noticed pop up on the screen, but you can find it on Amazon for a lot cheaper than that. So that brand might be more expensive, but in general, it is less expensive other places. We're gonna test this out. I think these colors are super, super stunning, to be completely honest. These shades, especially like these nudes and the pinks, are actually what I've been wearing frequently. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a couple brushes and then we will do a little look with this. If you don't want to see me try Stefan, thank you for watching me unbox this. Let me know what you think down below. Do you think this box was just mediocre? I was significantly disappointed that it took so long. If I was a new charmer just signing up, I know that it's COVID and everything, but my other boxes usually get here pretty quick. Like I got the premium box probably like 2.5 weeks ago or something. Okay, I'm gonna move on and go and get those brushes. I will be right back. So starting off, we're going to prime. I'm going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. It's almost empty, so there's not a lot in there, but we don't need a lot, so we're good. I have heard pretty good things about Pure Cosmetics. To be completely honest with you guys, I don't think I've tried a single one of their products before, so this will be a totally new adventure. We need to take that off. Always so satisfying. I like to start with an all over shadow color, but we don't have one. So I think I'm gonna use Dreamland. It's this really pretty kind of a light pink. There is so much fallout. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is so powdery. That's a lot of powder. I put some like bubble wrap on my lap to kind of help with any fallout, because that is a lot. Like, watch. No. Oh man, got all over my shirt. Oh no. Maybe this is why I should stick with just unboxing the box. Okay, I grabbed mine and I just was giggling when I grabbed it because it was like, of course it fell on my stomach. Like my baby bump catches things. Okay, but seriously, it is still... That is crazy. That amount of fallout is insane. Okay, so I'm just going to, but that's a really pretty color. They are pressed pigments though, so I'm pretty sure that they're supposed to be powdery or have more powder. Correct me if I'm wrong. Goodness gracious, this is way brighter than I thought it was gonna be. I can't imagine how bright Turn It Up is gonna be. But look how much of a payoff it's giving, and I haven't even had to dip back into it yet. So that's nice. Okay, so I just finished up with that color. Then what you do with the color switch is you just swirl it around and it picks up tons of that product. Another nice thing is if you do pick up way too much product, just lightly kind of like, you could do like an X or just do like a quick swirl and it'll help take some off, so then that way you're not gonna go in with too much product and then be overwhelmed and mess up and not be able to fix it and stuff like that. Problems, basically. I'm gonna go with Insta-worthy next and just see. I'm just guessing that most of these matte shades are going to be super fallouty. I was a lot more gentle with that one. Ooh, these smell really good. But there's still like a decent amount of fallout on that one. I wanna go just right in the crease, just to deepen it a little bit more. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I feel like it's not wanting to blend like right in the crease. Like I feel like it's darker right here in this region, and then right up at the top it's kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just kind of weird. I love makeup and I love doing tutorials and videos and unboxings, all the things, but I'm definitely not an expert. So I love that you guys don't expect me to know everything. I just like to have fun and chat with you, and I'm so glad that you enjoy spending time with me. I definitely don't have perfect skin and I don't have a perfect technique. It's just all about like having fun, getting creative. It's an outlet to kind of relax and have fun. So that's how I like to see it. I hope you guys see it that way too. That definitely helped to darken it a lot more. There's still kind of that like weird patch right here a little bit, but I'm not going to be worried about it. I'm just going to go ahead and move on to the next shade. I feel so daring, but I'm going to go into On Set, which is that like really, really dark brown. I'm going to first put on Pure Bliss. That one swatched the best for us earlier and it is so creamy. We're going to put that on the lid. Oh my gosh. Whoa. That is insane. This is one of the most creamy glitters I have ever tried. It's like a foil almost. So pretty. Okay. Going on almost a little bit too thick, so we'll see how it wears. I'll give you guys an update on like how my eyes look at the end of the day to see if they crease or anything, because it is kind of a more wet, creamy consistency, if that makes sense. But oh my gosh, so pretty. I want to just take the brush that we used, the outer corner brown, and just kind of lightly tap over that. I want to just kind of blend it a little bit better because I didn't want to lose like all that darkness. Okay, then I want to take Utopia and I want to go a little bold and just go right on top of that. Oh gosh, I think that's too much. Now it's like getting wrinkly. This is looking yucky now. Do you guys see that? It's like looking too thick. Too late now. I'm not gonna take it off. I want to take the brush that we first started with and just kind of smoke out the top a little bit more. I think I liked it better without the green, but yeah, we're rolling with it anyways. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with oops, you can't see it, Photo Op, and I'm taking a smudge brush. This is from Moda Cosmetics. This is actually one that we have received in a BOXYCHARM, and I love it. Ooh, this shade is super, super pretty for the under eye, and this brush is perfect for that. I feel like I have just the perfect amount of control, no issues at all. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just kind of blend that out a little bit more. I'm so harsh when it comes to eyeshadows because I want them to be easy, especially with baby coming. I'm like, I can have no issues, you know? That foil is so, so stunning. Definitely don't layer up too much. I think I put probably about 3 layers because I did 2 of the base color and then I did that green and it just did not like it. So just be careful. Okay, last thing I'm gonna do is just take the smudge brush one more time dip back into, let's get you guys in the frame on set. It's gonna tap just a light amount, and I wanna kind of just smoke over that glitter just a little bit. We're not gonna put on liner today, so I kind of wanna do just a little bit of a smoked look just to give my eye a little bit more definition. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly apply mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so my thoughts on this. I'll show you guys the final look as I'm kind of going through this, but holy macaroni. Those glitters are insane. You definitely have to be careful. I for sure feel like they're more of a foil, but they're so creamy, but you can't layer them up too much, otherwise they get kind of cakey looking, I guess would be the best way to describe it. And oh my gosh, I thought this would be a new everyday palette, 'cause it's like, oh yeah, I love like the peaches, and probably wouldn't use Turn It Up too much, but the other ones I thought, yeah, those would be good neutrals, but they're deceiving, but in a good way, because they're just so pigmented that they really show up. It's their Festival 2.0, and I can absolutely see it being used as that. I'm gonna insert swatches too so you guys can see how insane some of these colors are. It's just mind-blowing, honestly. I'm quite impressed. This was so much fun. Oh, I love playing with makeup. I'm so pumped to try out our other BOXYCHARM items. I'm sure next month's well, I don't know, I'm not sure, but hopefully it'll get here a lot sooner. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching and staying through the little try-on with me and everything. This was such a fun video, so I hope you thought so too. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, join our little YouTube family. It's so much fun to see my channel growing. It just makes me so excited and so motivated to keep making videos. Let me know too if you guys enjoyed the try-on portion, because usually I just open the box and you see my reaction and stuff, but we don't usually try it on. So please let me know down below if you liked the try-on or if you were like, no, I'd rather not. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.